Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to English with Priyanka Bisht. I hope you all are doing well. So, in today's video, we are going to learn some daily use sentences, vocabulary, and phrases through a vlog in my daily life whereby I'll do a get ready with me, cooking up some dishes, decorating the house, cleaning the house, so on and so forth. तो इससे क्या होगा कि आपको पता चलेगा कि आप अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में, अपनी बैनल लाइफ में, बैनल मतलब होता है डे टू डे लाइफ में, क्या ऐसा कर सकते हैं, क्या ऐसा बोल सकते हैं जिससे कि आपकी इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी इंप्रूव होगी. सो डू वॉच दिस वीडियो विद पेशेंस एंड हैव फन. Alright, so I need to get ready for work. I've already worn my top and jeans as you can see. Now I need to put on this blazer in order to complete my look. So first I'm sliding my arms into the sleeves. Now I'm adjusting the lapels. ये क्या बोलते हैं इनको? Lapels. For it to look neat or for it to sit neatly on me. So I adjust my hair and I can see that this blazer fits perfectly and gives me a semi-formal look. Now I'm going to button up the blazer in order for a more polished appearance. ज़्यादा polished appearance का मतलब क्या होता है? When you look smarter, alright? When you talk about smart formals. Next, I'm brushing my hair to remove any tangles and I've created a side parting in order to have a clean look. So I'm using a comb to smooth down any flyaways. Now in order to keep my hairstyle in place, I'm using a hairspray or a hair mist for the same. I'm spraying it gently on my hair. Alright, now I accessorize a bit. Yeah, and we're ready to go. All right, now let's learn some vocabulary related to organizing your stuff, folding up your clothes, cleaning up, so on and so forth. So let's start. All right, so I'm folding up my jeans by aligning the legs. Aligning का मतलब होता है उनको साथ में लेके आना, मिलाना, and then folding it in half, and then again one more fold to save more space. Now to save space, I roll up my t-shirt instead of folding them flat. That gives more of a space to you, like this and that. Now the key to wrinkle-free clothes is to smoothen them out before you fold them. That way you will see that you will have less creases while you use it. There we go. Now stack the folded clothes in your wardrobe to keep everything organized. Now in case of socks, you can tie them together and so that Now, in case of socks, you can tie them together and store them so that they do not get misplaced. It happens many times that we can only find one. Also, comment and do let me know if you have any special or any organizing tip that you would like to share with everyone. So, you can repeat after me. First, lay the shirt on a flat surface. Then, smoothen it out to remove any wrinkles before folding it up. Fold the sleeves inwards to make the shirt look compact. Tuck the corners neatly for a more polished look. Alright, now it's time to clean the house. So, first of all, I'm cleaning the couch by adjusting the sofa throw to my own liking. Then I'm dusting off the cushions and placing them in proper positions or however I wish it to be placed on a specific day. Now I start cleaning the table, and the first step to it is by decluttering the same. It is very important for you to remove unnecessary items. In this way, you will be able to clean the place or any table that you wish for that matter in a proper manner and without any confusion further on. So now that I've decluttered, I'm spraying a cleaner evenly on the surface and wiping it off with a microfiber cloth. You can use any clean cloth for that matter. So You first remove the dust and then polish the furniture. This is a very effective manner for you to increase the life of any item or furniture that you have and to also increase your productivity. और डीक्लटर का मतलब होता है जो चीज़ें काम की नहीं हैं उन्हें वहाँ से हटाना, उस जगह को और साफ दिखाना. Now to add aesthetics to the house, I'm adding this artificial flower vase. Then I've placed these indoor plants on the display center. Indoor plants उस तरह के plants होते हैं जो घर के अंदर भी उग जाते हैं, उनको ज़्यादा sunlight की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. Now I'm adding another flower vase to increase the beauty of the house and make it even more charming. Alright, now it's time to take care of my other indoor plants as well. These are called Areca palms. I have a variety of them. They are also indoor plants, यानी कि ऐसे plants जिनको ज़्यादा धूप की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. So in order to keep them healthy and up and about, I'm spraying some water onto their leaves so that they can absorb it and be clean all the time. For this, I've repurposed a Colin bottle and I'm using the same. And this is the final look. Alright, now let's make some palak parathas or spinach parathas as we call it. So first of all, I have washed the spinach properly and now I'm using a cutting board. Alright, this is called a cutting board or a chopping board. So along with the spinach, I'm also chopping some green chilies and it adds to the taste. I will then peel some ginger as well in order to make a ginger garlic paste. Ginger हम अदरक को बोलते हैं and garlic हम बोलते हैं लहसुन को. तो उनका भी I will make a paste and add to the dough. Dough का मतलब होता है आटा. Also, I'll take the dough out in a separate plate so that I can knead it. So now mixing the finely chopped palak and chilies along with the ginger garlic paste that I made into the dough and making sure they are all mixed well. Now it's time to add some spices, that is masala. So first I'm adding salt, that is namak. Then a bit of turmeric, which is also called haldi. Then a bit of dhania, which is coriander. And then finally some red chilies, which is called lal mirch. Now I'm kneading the dough. Kneading. Kneading का मतलब होता है गूंदना. So I'm kneading the dough properly so that it sits well. And I will continue the kneading until it's soft and smooth, because if you mix it well, if the consistency is good, then the resultant parathas or rotis or whatever you're making out of it will also be amazing. Now you will need a rolling board and a rolling pin. Rolling board का मतलब होता है चकला and pin का मतलब होता है बेलन. Also you will need a skillet or a frying pan, जिसको हम तवा भी बोलते हैं, to make these parathas. Now I'm using some ghee in order to give it a proper consistency and flavor. And you have to flip the paratha very carefully to avoid tearing it. Now you will know that the parathas are cooked when they are golden brown on both the sides. And now these parathas can be eaten or served with yogurt, pickle, or even a hot tea. And this is a very quick and easy recipe to make. For example, I was very busy today and I had to make sure that I whip a quick meal for myself, and this was my go-to solution to it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe.